Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. I hope you subscribe and stick around. We're getting close to 200 and I'm going to do my next big giveaway at 200. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that's part of the reason why I started this channel. Is makeup is for everybody. It is for every skin tone, every gender, every income level, every ability, and every disability. And I have Parkinson's syndrome. So I wanted to show that just because you have some challenges doesn't mean you have to give up what you know and love. So we are looking today at the Too Faced collection that they did with Erika Jayne Girardi. Now, if you don't know who Erika Jayne is, she is a Real Housewife of Beverly Hills. One of my good friends of years and years and years loves Real Housewives. And so she got me on it a couple years ago. And so I got to see Erika Jayne, Erika Girardi, on the show, her first couple seasons. I haven't watched it in a while, but she's, you know, pretty interesting person. She is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm not surprised that she came out with a makeup collection. I wasn't going to get this because the pictures online, I looked at them and went, you know what? I already have all of those. I think I'm going to skip it. And then I saw the eyeshadow in person and oh my gosh, so beautiful. I had to get it. So I got two pieces of the collection. In the whole collection, there are two lip color and gloss kits where you get a lip liner that's really creamy. You can fill in your whole lip with it, and a lip gloss. There's the Pretty Mess eyeshadow palette, which I got. So I got the Polite Lips lip kit here, and I got the Pretty Mess eyeshadow set here. Now, I don't, you know, I just started, so I don't get PR or, you know, sponsorships or anything for free. So I kind of have to watch, you know, what I buy and pick my favorite of the collections that I'm actually going to wear. So I did not get the body highlighter, which is gorgeous. You know, a body, all over body shimmer, just beautiful. And they have a face highlighter that's beautiful. And the lip injection plumping gloss, also really pretty. I thought about it for a minute, but I'm not really into like the tingly plumping glosses so much. So I kind of skipped that and went with a Pretty Lips set instead. So we're going to start with the Pretty Lips, or I'm sorry, Polite Lips. So here is the Polite Lips container. This is the box it comes in. The gloss is called Polite and Pretty. And the lip liner slash color is Housewife Pink. So part of her thing is Erika Jayne is, you know, this disco singer, dancer, real out there. And then Erika Girardi is the housewife supporting her husband, you know, kind of polite and class, you know, all the way. So that's where a lot of this comes from with the two different sides. So here is the liner. I am wearing it right now. The color in the gloss. I am also wearing the eyeshadows, which we'll get into in a minute. So here is the pink, Housewife Pink lip liner slash color. It is really creamy, very creamy. You can put it all around all over your lips. Very nice. And then here is the gloss, Polite Lips. It doesn't have a smell to it really. I mean, it doesn't smell bad. It just doesn't really smell at all. So here is this. And it's a really pretty, you know, more sheer kind of pinky coral color. And I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of that because I do like lip gloss, especially in the spring and summer. I do like gloss. So those, I really like it. The set is $29 for both. And then the other set's a little darker. And it, you know, it's also really pretty. Okay, now the eyeshadow. Like I said, looked at the palette online, went, you know what, I've already got that. I really, yeah, I've got all of those shades. I really don't need it. Oh, no, I don't have all of these shades. They do not do it justice online. Let me tell you, you get 12 colors here. And they are absolutely beautiful. They really are. I thought they just looked standard, but honestly, all 12 shades are gorgeous. The palette retails for $42. And let's swatch these so you can get an idea what the colors are. Swatches don't, have anything to do with performance on the eyes, but it does give you a good idea of the colors. So we're going to start with Close Off, and then Lap of Luxury, and then for the third, Sex Extravagant. And Sex Extravagant is a shimmer. The other two are matte. Here's Close Off. Here's a Lap of a Luxury, really pretty pinky coral. And Sex Extravagant. Let's go into our next row. I'm calling them rows. They're kind of, you see what I mean. Okay. Show and Tell is a matte. Then we're going to go into Queen E, which is a shimmer. And So Rodeo, or So Rodeo. I'm not sure if it's Rodeo or Rodeo. I would think Rodeo is in Rodeo Drive shopping. Here we go. That is pretty. That's Show and Tell. And then we've got Queen E. And we're going to say So Rodeo, as in Rodeo Drive. Let's go into the third row. This has my favorite color in the whole thing, which I'm wearing today. So Rich is Better. Then we've got Whatever, Who Cares? And this is my favorite color in the whole thing. Worth Its Weight. It is a glitter. And it is gorgeous. Here we go. So we have got Rich is Better. She struggled and then got married, rich. So that's where that comes from. Here's Whatever, Who Cares? And then Worth Its Weight. This is beautiful. This glitter is gorgeous. That is my favorite in the palette. That is my favorite of the 12. All right, let's go into the last row here. We're going to start with a shimmer with Party People. And then we've got F Frugal. F Frugal. And Private Jet Setter. All right, so here is Party People, F Frugal, and Private Jet Setter. Look how rich that is. So these are the 12 shades that you get in the Pretty Mess palette. She has a song called Pretty Mess, and that's also the name of her book. She did an autobiography. So it also comes with this little guide, how to make looks. There's Erika right there. And then you have your list for Club Queen and Beverly Hills Bombshell with your directions. Since I just did a tutorial with a review on the eyeshadow, I figured I would go ahead and do my eyeshadow and show it here. I know you can't see it very well. I apologize for that. My experience with the shadows, oh my gosh, I'm going to have glitter on my arm all day. You guys know how glitter is. They are smooth. They blend very nicely. The mattes blend beautifully. There is a lot of kick up and fallout. And, so if that's not a big deal to you, like me, I'll just clean it up. It's not that big a deal. It's not as bad as, like, the ABH eyeshadows. But there is fallout with it, So you kind of have to weigh yourself. Is that worth it? Is it not? Personally, to me, I get a little bit of fallout. I just whisk it away. The glitter, of course, has fallout, but which glitters don't, except for, like well, actually, you know what? The liquid glitters do kind of fall out over the day. So, well, some of them do. that's not a big deal to me. To me, it was fine. I just whisked it away and it did great. So I like it. They have, you know, all kind of a pinky purple coral, just very pretty. You can make a lot of different looks with it. And that retails again for $42. I got both of these from Ulta, although you can get them at Sephora too. So again, here's the lip kit, $29. I got Polite Lips. And the Pretty Mess eyeshadow for $42 for 12 shades. And that'll do it for today. It's just a really short video. Sorry about that. Alright guys, let me know if you want me to review anything else that's coming out. I am always up for requests. I mean, you guys are the community. We're all, you know, a community. So let me know if there's something else that's coming out that you guys want to see before you buy. Alright, I'll talk to you down in the comments section. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.